Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. I'm sitting outside of my order fulfillment little storage house, and I noticed a little problem. Many of you use my 1 million and 3 million Scoville capsaicin oil, and I've shared with you in previous videos how difficult it is to make this stuff and that my production is really limited. I can make about 2 liters a month, or excuse me, 2 kilograms a month of the 1 million and about 1 kilogram a month of the 3 million. And I'm having a difficult time keeping up with the orders. I don't have any more scheduled to be made until next week. I'm down to, I think, 7 or 8 bottles of the 1 million and maybe 10 bottles of the 3 million. And they're just selling like crazy. So I want everybody to know that I'm going to set the website to allow back orders. So if you happen to order that product when I don't have it available, it will be available in just a few days and your order will be filled. So for those of you that are buying the capsaicin oil, 1 million or 3 million, if there's a little delay in shipping the product, I want you to understand that I am going just as fast as I can. I'm working on a way to increase that monthly production quantity. But right now, like I say, I'm stuck at a couple of kilograms of the 1 million per month, and I'm at 1 kilogram of the 3 million. So that makes about 72 and 36 1 ounce bottles respectively. But anyway, I want you to know I'm working hard, trying to improve that. Thank you for doing business with me. Mr. Phil, Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. I'll see you next time.